Hey, what's good everybody? Welcome back to our YouTube channel mahagurus.com. So in this tutorial we would learn how can we enter the color scales in Microsoft Excel. So I would suggest you guys to please follow each and every steps as I say. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So to do this guys, you must have to select the multiple of cell or the entire row or the column, and after selecting this click on home button, and in this style group click on conditional formatting, and here you will see the color scales. After selecting you will have a bunch of options like different color shades like scales with red, yellow and green. The higher will go to the green, and the intermediate will represent the yellow, and the lowest will represent the red. Get it? Similarly we have the same color with different shades options. For example, I'm selecting this one, then this green represent the top color and the 30 represent the bottom color, and there's no average color between that, so there's no yellow color. Similarly when we select this one, so after selecting this, do the same thing, going to conditional formatting, and this color scale I'm selecting this red one, and just click over there, and you can see guys, here we have the maximum number of 19,000 is having the highest intensity of red color, and this 5,000 have no red color, no shades of red color because it's the lowest, but the intermediate one, the average one, contains some amount of red color. Get it guys? So that's all for today. Thank you.
If you really like the content, then please like the video and click subscribe to see more videos like this. And don't forget to share this video with others. You can find the link to complete basics to advanced Excel tutorial in the description below, or you can visit mahagurus.com to see lots of other software courses. Thank you.